Imagine a world where your financial future is not a mystery, but a well-charted journey. At Davies Wealth Management, we believe that creating a simple financial plan can transform this vision into reality. Start by understanding your current financial standing. Calculate your net worth by listing your assets and liabilities. Track your income and expenses to reveal spending patterns, and follow the 50-30-20 rule for budgeting. Review your credit score and ensure adequate insurance coverage. Next, set clear financial goals. Define what you want to achieve in the short, medium, and long term. Make your goals SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Prioritize these goals based on urgency, impact, and feasibility. Finally, execute your strategy with discipline. Create a realistic budget, build a financial safety net, tackle high-interest debt, and invest for the future. Remember, your financial plan should evolve with your life circumstances. At Davies Wealth Management, we're here to guide you every step of the way, ensuring your financial journey is both confident and informed.